Two got her ass out of here that damn snow. And she out there in the snow trying to save the windshield. Look, she don't even know how to do that. Do your driver's side first. Don't worry about the other side, then you'll pull it over. Pull it in, yeah, pull it on in some more. Right there. And then put those windshield wipers over it. Pull it on the other side, and then come back and stick your wipers over it. This shit gonna be worse tomorrow. They said to Tuesday. Oh really? Well, this is the hard part coming through then. Yeah, they said to Tuesday. What a Negro won't do to try to save their valuables. This is. She can't lay down. She can't come back and hit that car. Yeah. She can't lay down. Poor thing. Couldn't get. She did this shit. Wouldn't did it to save my life. But that damn car. She get up there and run out there for that. Like Dick Gregory say, you can hit a nigga mama, but you better not hit that car.